These private home nursing jobs are tough to come by. We're lucky I got it.
Son, you're not supposed to be in here.
Yes, sir. What do these markings mean?
You know what a legend is? This is Kalaratri, the Dark Mother.
Do you believe all that?
A legend can't be explained by science. You believe in something long enough, it becomes reality.
Itsy spider went up the water in the rain. In the sun, Will you check under my bed?
You were just having a bad dream.
In the shadowy corners of Australia, where the buzz of city life meets the whisper of the wild, dwells the brown huntsman spider, a creature as enigmatic as it is agile. With a name often evoking unwarranted fear, this spider, scientifically known as Heteropoda venatoria, is a master of adaptation, thriving in dense forests, serene woodlands and bustling urban settings alike. The huntsman prefers the warmth, often finding solace under rocks, bark and foliage, shielded from the harsh daylight. As dusk falls, these spiders emerge as formidable predators, silently prowling their domain in search of unsuspecting prey. Their ability to inhabit our homes, often spotted in garages or lurking behind furniture, is a testament to their versatile nature. Despite their daunting size and swift movements, huntsman spiders are far from the villains of the arachnid world. Their venom, while potent enough to incapacitate their insect prey, poses little threat to humans. A bite, although rare, typically results in mild discomfort, with symptoms such as swelling and redness, subsiding quickly without lasting harm. Far from being aggressive, these spiders would sooner flee than engage, their demeanor more about self-preservation than menace. Turning to their diet, huntsman spiders are the unsung heroes in our homes, natural pest controllers who feast on the insects we least desire. From cockroaches to moths and crickets, they manage these populations with a hunter's grace. They employ neither webs nor tricks, relying instead on their remarkable speed and powerful chelicerae to seize and subdue their meals. The life cycle of the huntsman is a fleeting yet fascinating journey. Spanning only about 1 to 2 years, their existence is a solitary one, from the moment they emerge from the silk sac. Mating is a delicate dance, with males approaching with caution, keen not to be mistaken for prey. Post-mating, the female meticulously guards her eggs, ensuring the next generation's survival before the cycle anew begins. Physically, the brown huntsman is a marvel. With leg spans reaching up to 15 centimeters, they are a sight to behold. Their bodies, flat and adorned with fine hairs, are crafted perfectly for slipping into narrow spaces. Equipped with 8 eyes, their vision is keen, adept at detecting even the slightest movements. Their typical brown or grey mottled patterns are not just for beauty, but serve as excellent camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. While not considered intelligent by human standards, brown huntsman spiders exhibit behaviours that suggest a degree of problem-solving and adaptability. Their hunting strategies involve keen observation, and rapid responses to prey movements. They can quickly assess their environment and choose optimal hiding or hunting spots. These spiders are also known to exhibit maternal care, with females protecting their egg sacs and newly hatched spiderlings, indicating a level of behavioral complexity. The name Huntsman spider reflects their hunting behavior as they actively pursue and capture prey rather than relying on webs. The brown in their name denotes their typical coloration, which helps them blend into their surroundings. What makes them unique is their impressive speed and agility, allowing them to cover significant distances quickly. Additionally, their ability to flatten their bodies and squeeze into tight spaces makes them adept at hiding and evading predators. In conclusion, the brown huntsman spider is a remarkable example of adaptation and survival in the spider world. From their diverse habitats and beneficial pest control role to their distinctive physical attributes and behaviors, these spiders play a vital role in their ecosystems. Understanding the true nature of brown huntsman spiders helps dispel myths and promotes a greater appreciation for these fascinating creatures. Thank you for joining us in exploring the life and habits of the brown huntsman spider.
Can you let us in?
Frankie, where are you? Don't keep me waiting.
Another one.